Scan to unlock Sovi and ace your tests.
Calculus problems are fast once you apply the mean value theorem correctly. Let us find the difference between the two x values now. First, we need the average rate of change on the interval from 0 to 6. Calculate the function values at the endpoints and divide by the total width of the interval. Next, find the derivative of our function, which is 1 plus 3 cosine of x plus 4 sine of x. Set this derivative equal to the average rate we just found. Solve for the two x values within our range. Subtracting these results gives 3.096. That makes option C our final winner. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Watch signs to avoid a rush. Trust given values and check your steps carefully.